Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com, the online English school that helps you understand and use real everyday English. I'm Mark, and today we're talking about something we all have in common: daily life. We all wake up, we eat, we clean, we shop. But can you talk about your day in English clearly and also naturally? Well, in today's episode, we're going to work on these three things: how to describe your daily routine, useful phrases for chores and errands, and also tips to sound more natural when talking about everyday life. Let's get started. We're going to start with something simple: your morning routine. Listen to this example. I usually wake up at 7. I brush my teeth, take a quick shower, and then I make some coffee. After that, I check my email and start work. These are basic verbs in the present simple tense: wake up, brush, take, make, check, start. Now it's your turn. Try saying your routine out loud. What time do you wake up? Do you eat breakfast? What do you usually do after lunch? You can use frequency words to add detail. Always, always. I always check the news in the morning. Usually, usually. I usually grab coffee before work. Sometimes, sometimes. I sometimes go for a walk. Never, never. I never skip breakfast. Now let's talk about chores. You know, those boring things we all have to do. Here are some common ones. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Can you describe your weekend chores? Give it a try. Quick question. What's an errand? Well, an errand is a small job you do outside the house. For example, go grocery shopping. Go grocery shopping. Pick up a package. Pick up a package. Go to the post office. Go to the post office. Buy medicine. Buy medicine. Go to the bank. Go to the bank. Here's an example. After work, I went to the supermarket to buy some vegetables. And another example. I had to run a few errands this morning. Okay, so let's practice. I'll say a sentence. You repeat after me. Okay? Ready? I usually wake up at 6:30. I usually wake up at 6:30. I make breakfast and check my messages. I make breakfast and check my messages. I do the laundry on Saturdays. I do the laundry on Saturdays. I need to pick up a package after work. I need to pick up a package after work. Nice job! So here are 3 quick tips to help you talk about your daily life more fluently. Number 1, keep it simple. Use easy verbs like go, make, do, and get. Number 2, use time words like in the morning, after lunch, or before bed. Number 3, practice speaking out loud. Try to do this every day in English for at least 5 minutes. Well, that's it for today's episode on English for Everyday Life. Try writing or recording your own routine in English this week. It's a great way to build confidence. And also, don't forget to check out my website, mksenglish.com. Thanks for listening, guys, and I will talk to you next time, okay? Bye.